This is nice.
Oh, this does look. Oh, wow.
We're at the Hampton Inn in Guthrie, Oklahoma, and I've had a pretty good stay here. How about you?
Very good as well.
So you want to show everyone what it's like?
Sure.
Alright, so when we first come in, you've got this little kitchenette on the right-hand side. It's got a mini fridge, it's got a microwave underneath, and it's got a sink with a coffee maker. And then as you enter in here, you've got a couch and a lounge. You've got a full-length mirror. You've got a desk with an office chair, a TV, and then you've got 2 beds on this wall. Then over here, you can walk in and you have a sink with a mirror. To your right, you've got a closet with another mirror. And then on your left, you've got a toilet and a tub and a shower. This is a really spacious room. This is probably the biggest room we've stayed in on the road. Yeah, I'm going to say this is the biggest room we've stayed in on the road.
Why is it so huge? There's so much. You could have like an entire gym in here. Do you guys see the bathroom?
Yeah. I like that it has a room for the sink and stuff still. It is a huge room for 5.
It's so big.
All right, let's empty the cart, guys. And we got to go back outside in 16-degree weather. This hallway is huge. Have you seen it? Look at that. Obviously. That's crazy. Did you sleep okay? You excited to go get breakfast? All right, let's go check it out.
We gotta see the view, though.
You gotta see the view? All right, we gotta see the view. Do you want to go down the stairs or do you want to go down the elevator? Let's go down the elevator.
No, stairs.
Right here.
Oh.
You know, it's 8 degrees outside.
Wait, that was less than yesterday.
Yep, it was less than yesterday. Make waffles, red velvet waffle batter and vanilla waffle batter, juice, sausage. Oh, they're out of milk, bud. I know. And they've got muffins. All right, what do you want to eat? Waffles? I'll split them with you. Is it good?
Just hard to get in.
Comfy?
It's worth it. Yeah, it's comfy.
I moved. I couldn't sit there.
It's worth the struggle.
That's the reaction I had. We've got ice.
Ice with a
Ice dispenser. And we have Le Puel.
Is it heated?
I mean, I'm assuming so. Let's hope it's heated. Is it warm? A little. You want to stay here for 2 nights?
Yeah, so we're going to the gym. There's more stuff I can do.
Okay, again, it says no one under 18 can use the equipment. So not even Cademan can use it. Sorry, Cademan. What's up?
Time.
Where are you going?
I'm getting an Ollie.
Okay. Alright, Kagan, do you like this hotel?
Yes, I
What is your favorite part?
this.
The bigness? Yeah. It's pretty big. It's nice and roomy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Would you stay here again?
Yes.
For sure.
Be sure to check out our other videos here.